Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the part 2 of the unboxing from the last video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I purchased, then please keep on watching. I am going to be opening up finally after a while, and this one is huge, you guys. It's huge. I'm gonna go on ahead and show you guys what it looks like because it is huge. The package, like, this thing is huge. So like I was saying, this package is huge, as you guys saw. So we're gonna go on ahead and get started. I got her Griiiits bar, soap bar, and this is what it looks like. I believe you can use this on your face, I believe, face, body. I think it's pretty much an all type soap bar. So I'm super excited to use this. Next, I am going to open this package. I'm not sure what I got in here. This is the package though. Oh, I got this bar or soap bar called Dark and Sexy. I think I got this one for my husband because she does have items and stuff like that for men. So I think I got this for my husband because it smells like men fragrance. Oh, man's fragrance, I mean. So let me open this up, y'all. Gosh, all the different brands that I shop from, they do amazing with like packaging and stuff. Like, goodness, like she was not playing when she was wrapping these up. Okay, so I got the Extreme Hydration Conditioning Mask, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I believe it's a deep conditioner or just like a washout conditioner. Yeah, it's a deep conditioner because it says to leave on for 30 minutes. So it is a conditioner. So I'm excited to use that. I actually got, oh, and then I have the Extreme Hydration Styling Custard. So I do want to do a review on that one. She has amazing products, like styling products, like gels and things like that. I also got the rice water conditioner, and this is what it looks like. I actually purchased all these when she did her drop, and there was some discounts in there, so I'm super excited to try these. I also got the, let me take all these out so I won't just be holding them and stuff like that. I also got, these products look amazing, y'all. I also got her Ayurvedic Mud Mask, and this is what it looks like. And then I got her infused coffee scrub, and y'all, this looks amazing. Like, I want to open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. I usually wipe my products down when I receive them and stuff like that with, like, you know, Clorox wipes and stuff like that, but because of this video right now, I'm not gonna wipe them down because I did want to do like unboxing, me actually opening the products with you guys. So oh my god, y'all, this is like straight up coffee and some other product ingredients that she put in there, but I don't want to like tilt it too much. But this is what it looks like. Hold on, this is what it looks like. Why is this thing grabbing my face? Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm super excited to use that. I got her Kalahari Melon Mint Deep Conditioner, and I want to smell this. Let me smell it before I show you guys. And I love the consistency of all her products. They're kind of like frothy a little bit. I love Annabelle's Perfect Blend. Like, her brand is amazing. Ooh, this smells good. This smells really good. This is what it looks like. Okay, I opened up the second little package within. She basically wrapped them within the same big box. So I got her, oh my god, literally that's the name of the product, oh my god conditioner. This is the most beautiful conditioner I've ever seen in my life, because I actually have purchased it before. I wanted some more of it, and it's so pretty. Like, I want to show you guys what the consistency and like the colors and everything looks like. It is beautiful, and it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I got it in my nose. Great, got it on my nose. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful. It is so pretty. This is what it looks like. It's the oh my god conditioner. And yeah, you guys, this product is amazing. I've used it before. Leaves my hair so soft. I would love to do a review on that one as well, so you guys will kind of see how my hair reacts to it. I got her garlic conditioner. This is what it looks like. It is, I've never tried it before, but burdock root extract, castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil. It has some pretty good ingredients, and this is like, it could be a rinse out conditioner, but you could also use it as a deep conditioner. Most of her products are like that though. Like they're kind of like an all type, like all purpose. You could use them for anything pretty much. I got her winter candy apple conditioner, and this is what it looks like. And I kind of want to smell it because I heard this one smells really good, so I want to smell it. Let me see. Ooh, this smells so good. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna be using this here soon. Next up, I got her Peppermint charcoal foot scrub. She sells all kinds of like body products. So I got a foot scrub, and like I can't remember what was the other thing that I got, but this looks amazing. I can't wait to use this. I actually have a little like pedicure massage thing that I got off Amazon, and so I'm kind of excited to use it. So ooh, y'all, this smells so good. It's like peppermint type, even though it's like it is a peppermint charcoal mask, but ooh, it smells so good. Look the consistency, you guys. Amazing. I'm so excited to use this. I might use this today. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna try to go a little fast here. I got her cholesterol conditioner. Let me open this up. I have products for probably the next year. And I have so many products from her as well, like that I still have in there. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the look of it, like the pink look. I love it. Ooh, I like the consistency. It's kind of like thick, like it's not going anywhere. This is amazing. I'm excited to try this cholesterol. I've never tried a cholesterol conditioner before. Next up, I got her Ayurvedic hair cream, and I love it because I love to see when products have like little powder residue and stuff like that in it, because I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna do something to my hair. Maybe not, I don't know. But ooh, this smells so amazing, and the consistency, I just love the consistency, guys. This is what it looks like. Smells amazing. It smells kind of like vanilla a little bit, but this is what it looks like. It's an Ayurvedic hair cream. So next up, I have the Chamomile and Orange Blossom facial wash, and I actually talked about this on my Instagram, so I'm gonna put my Instagram here so you guys can follow me. This product is amazing. I actually ran out and just restocked whenever she had her like drop. So yeah, this is a facial wash, and this is what it looks like, and it's amazing. I use it for my face. Sometimes I'll use it for like to my sponges, my beauty blender sponges. So I'm excited to use that. I also got another Extreme Hydration from her Extreme Hydration line. This is the leave-in conditioner, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. If the camera will pick it up. This is what it looks like. So I'm excited to use that as well. Extreme Hydration Cream Gel from the Extreme Hydration line that she has as well. Next up, I have the Peach Hibiscus CoWash, and I'm actually excited because I don't think I have any co-washes from her. I don't co-wash a whole lot, but as you guys know, I usually co-wash like whenever, like in between my washes. So if I'll wash my hair like today and I feel like I need a refresh or anything like that, I'll co-wash and just like restyle my hair. Or I'll like kind of co-wash when I do twist out and I feel like I didn't really need to wash my hair, like clarify my hair. But this is what the co-wash looks like. It looks really pretty. And I kind of want to smell it because it says it's peach, and I want to smell it. So, ooh, yes, it smells really, really good. So next up, I have the Ayurvedic hair serum, and it says that it can be used as a leave-in conditioner or a daily moisturizer. And I love her. I think I have her spray mist. And it's basically a moisturizer. It's a daily moisturizer, or it can be used to refresh your curls and stuff like that. I always use it to refresh my curls, but it is really good to moisturize your hair. So this is what it looks like, and I'm super excited about this one. It looks really good. Like, let me see if the camera will focus. It has those little things on there. Next up, I got her turmeric, I think that's how you say it, turmeric bar. Her other turmeric bar that I purchased was like straight up yellow, which is what I love. And I usually use it for like my face and stuff like that. But this one is kind of like a different color. So I don't know if it has more like other ingredients more than the turmeric, or I don't know. But let me open this next one up. Yes, this is a turmeric scrub. It looks so green, kind of like. So I got two of the turmeric scrubs because I use them all the time. I'm kind of running out. So this is what they look like. Hold on. Yeah, this is what they look like. And I got two of them. So I'm kind of restocked for a little while. Next up, I got the Winter Candy Apple Deep Conditioner, and I got two of those. So this is what they look like. I got two of those. And next, I got her Strawberries and Cream Twisting Cream. I love this stuff. If you guys don't remember, I don't know if you guys remember my twisting video, how to achieve the perfect twist out, I believe. I was using this, and I love this twisting cream, Strawberries and Cream. It's amazing, leaves my hair super defined, and I just love these. Not more than the Irish Moss styling cream, but I do love these. So this is the Berry Set Hold, and I got two of these because these are amazing. I actually have just a little bit left in my my little stash that I have, and these products are amazing. They give you great hold, they give you the perfect curl definition. Like, I love these, and I would like to review these pretty soon, maybe my next video or so. But this is what they look like. They're super cute and pink, and they're super cute. Next up, I got her whipped shampoo, and this one is Marshmallow Cloud. So she has like a bunch of different scents, I think, or you know, like different stuff you could pick from. I got the Marshmallow Cloud, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. It looks kind of like frothy a little bit. So next up, I also got her Cucumber Melon Foaming Facial Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Super cute. I'm super excited to use that as well. And I got this the Perfect Man foaming body wash. I got this for my husband, so I am super excited for him to use this. I think it's, let me see what it smells like. Let me see. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. Y'all, look at this. The consistency is so pretty. Very like whipped. Oh my gosh, he's gonna love this. So this is his. These are the products that I got for him. And I'm not sure what the little bar soap thing smells like, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it smells amazing. Next up, we have, I think we have 4 more products. Yeah, we have 4 more products. And so I ordered her Annabelle's Lip Butter Waffle Cone. Oh my god, y'all. This smells amazing. Oh my god, this smells amazing. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. She has apple butter. I got her Okra Conditioner. This is what it looks like. She has amazing ingredients and just like different. I feel like Annabelle just, or that's not her name, but her brand, she just thinks outside of the box, and with her products and things like that. And that's why I always purchase a lot of products, because she has like body care, she has hair care, she has facial care, like she has everything. And so I really do respect that about her. Oh my god, see, I love this. This smells amazing. Next up, I got her Blue Lotus Deep Conditioner, and this is what it looks like. So I'm super excited about that. And then finally, I got her Hibiscus and Aloe Rinse, and this is what this one looks like. Let me open it. I want to smell it. Can I get this thing off? Y'all. This thing is super, like, wow, she packaged this really, really well.
Eternity later.
You know what, we just gonna untwist it and just, ooh. That smells good. So you guys, that is all for this unboxing part 2. I am so excited because I want to be using these products, and I want to show you guys how they work in my hair. And if you guys want to purchase all these products, you know, just make sure you go on Annabelle's Perfect Blend website. I believe she's having a drop on April 29th. So I'm super excited for you guys to purchase those. And yeah, I hope you guys loved this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, or what was your favorite part about this video. But yeah, that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.